everybody. Welcome back to my channel. This is Misty with a Unique Treasure Reborns. Forgive me for my bandness. This is just what I have to wear for, I feel like it's going to be months, but I have a back spine stimulator placed in 2 weeks ago, and they had to, put the battery in the back with the leads. And so this is holding it all together, I guess. So sorry, but I do want to come on because I just got this delivery. It was so funny because I can see right, I sit in front of the window and the post office comes and we have two, mailboxes out there with the keys. We have to go out there. We don't have they don't come up to our house. And so I was watching him and he couldn't get the keys inside the key lock mailbox. And they actually just inserted larger ones because my neighbor and I, we both order, we're both reborn artists. That's how I got into it. And so I have like a lot of kits. Let's just say I have a lot of supplies, a lot of kits. I found out that it's very easy to get into that when you start reborning. You get the baby fever, and I have to stop looking at the sites because I cannot look at these babies and not buy them, right? Because I'm not buying the prototype artist baby. I'm buying these kits that I have to try to create into these things. And so, anyways, I'm not really sure what this is. I think I did a pre-order on a couple dolls a while back, and I just have auto pays going on. So I got this delivery today from Irresistibles. So it's been a while because I don't remember the last time I ordered from them. I think it was needles rooting. So I just wanted to come on in here and see uh, what we got today because I know it's a kit. It has to be a kit. I just don't remember which one. And so I just wanted to share this moment with you guys. It is a very large kit. She's actually, I could tell because she has one of those bodies that you have to use the things, hooks and stuff to put them together. So I'm going to pull her out, oops, of the box here. I hope you have the COA in this bag because it's only in the box. And um, this is Irresistibles, right? Yes, it's here, Irresistibles. And so let's see who I got. I want to see her face. I love looking at the face. So it's a girl. This is her part of her body. Who is this? This is, oh, Alanika. Alanika, I'm not sure if that's how you say her name. They gave me the entire kit, which is really nice because when I ordered one from McPherson's, uh, I ordered one that I have to put together too, and I got this little tiny thing that looks like they made wire. Anyways, um, so I'll be able to use this apparatus hopefully to help me with the other one. So I saw this girl as biracial and I loved it. If I didn't see the biracial prototype done, I probably wouldn't have bought her. And I didn't know she was so common. I don't know why I had to pre-order her. Maybe they ran out. I don't know. But um, look at this. Oh, this is amazing. This is probably the largest doll I have purchased. I am so excited. I do have Emmy over there, and she looks pretty large herself, but this feels so cool. Look at her, the nails. I mean, I hope you guys can really see that good. That is amazing. Amazing. They are separated from the skin at the tips. This is so cool. It's cold. She's cold. Okay, and so I plan on doing her biracial, like the prototype artist did, made me want to buy her. So here is her. I don't know why I'm unbagging it. Here's her two hands, so she can hold things. She can pray. I mean, just this is really cool. I love these arms. And let me slide this right back in here, or it goes this way. Okay, and then here are the feet and the legs. Oh my goodness, those are so cool. I love this. Roots. I mean, that is so real looking. The details are these are some of the best feet I've ever seen on any sculpt. This is pretty amazing. I'm so excited about doing this. Oh, look at this beautiful face. Wow. Look how gorgeous. Look how gorgeous that face is. Oh, which way am I going? Oh, I am just in love. And look at these ears. I am in love. And I love rooting, so this is going to be great experience. This feels so good. Her vinyl feels really good. I really like this vinyl. I got to look up to see what it is because German vinyl is what Freddie is here. And he's definitely, well, I am doing a Mediterranean paint job, but he's still a different color than she was when, so but they have the same kind of feel, but hers is really soft. Anyways, I wanted to share this with you. This is all that's in the box. So look forward to me showing you my process because I do plan on bringing you guys on my paint journeys. It's just going to be not really long, super long videos, and it's not going to be with me doing a lot of talking. I'm just going to share some clips of how I paint these because I'm sure it's going to take me a long time because I am not a quick artist. I like to do lots of layers because lots of layers and depth and texture mean more realism. So I'm really super excited that I got this kit. I did order Winnie and I'd like to get pickles. But anyways, this is just wonderful. I think I got Eric and Erica too. Not sure. Anyways, thank you so much, guys. Just wanted to share this with you, this little opening. The rest of her is like, just apparatus stuff. And I did watch a video of her getting put together, and the woman had to have help from her husband. So thank God I have a strong husband too. And I will talk at you guys later. Bye bye.